Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Topstep Review 2025. Is it worth it? Curious about Topstep and whether it's worth it? Topstep is a proprietary trading firm that gives future traders a chance to trade within the company's capital. The journey starts with the Trading Combine, a simulated evaluation where you'll face profit targets, risk rules, and no time limits. If you pass, you unlock a funded account with real capital, commission free trades on TopStep X, and a generous payout model. 100% of your first $10,000 in profits, then 9% afterward. Plans start at $50 a month for a 50,000 account, scaling up to $150 a month for $150,000 plus a one-time activation fee. TopStep also shines in education, offering coaching streams and a supportive community. On the flip side, some traders report issues with ambiguous rules, delayed payouts, and higher subscription costs if it takes longer to pass. So is Topstep worth it? If you value structure, discipline, and a real shot at trading firm capital, it might be. Just make sure you're ready for the costs and occasional bumps along the way. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.